Today we have a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is Cops Unlock Predator's Phone, Discovers Sickening Videos. Ooh.
I was in the bathroom, and there was a guy taking a picture under the stove.
I got.
What happened to your face?
I beat up. It beat me up.
It was like the screen faced up?
Like that.
Okay. You can zip up your pants. Probably a good idea.
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Nah, no way. This is what's going on? This is what people doing? Nah. We less than a minute in, and this is crazy. There's some sick people out there, man.
Okay, well, actually, I'm going to take that. Okay.
Give her the phone now.
When bystanders detain a man accused of filming a mom and her young daughter in a public restroom, officers step in to defuse a tense situation. But a risky move from the suspect leads officers to question what other disturbing secrets he may be trying to hide.
Because you didn't have time to delete the pictures you were trying to delete. What are we going to find on your phone?
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On December 6, 2025, dispatchers in Kitsap County, Washington receive a 911 call about an incident unfolding at the annual Krampus Festival.
This is Kitsap 911. What are you reporting?
Yes, hi. I was in the bathroom, and there was a guy taking a picture under the stove. Can you please call my children?
Caller, what is the address there?
I'm so sorry. My husband's trying to stop the guy from leaving, and my children are freaking out. We're right here by Bigfoot house.
As a second call comes in, it's clear the situation is beginning to escalate.
We got someone who was trying to leave the premises after taking a picture of a woman in the bathroom, and now he's trying to run.
From over there,
and now he's getting combative about leaving.
Why are you touching? Has anything been physical? Like, have they hit anyone, touched anyone?
Someone just asked him about it, and then he immediately ran into them to try and knock them over to get out of the area.
Are we physically detaining him?
We got two people, yes, because he's starting to swing.
Get your fingers out of there, sir. Your fingers aren't even doing anything.
Can you hear him?
I can hear him.
That works somewhere else, not here.
Officers with the Bremerton Police Department quickly arrive to find that the suspect and bystanders have been separated by festival security.
You might want to talk. I think he took his wife this way. Yeah. But this gentleman.
So who's he?
He apparently was in the women's bathroom taking pictures of a lady.
Okay.
He has his zipper down.
I got.
What happened to your face?
I beat up. It beat me up. I went in the bathroom. I got confused. Wrong.
Good job for the bystanders. Get this weirdo together. Yeah. This is what I love it. I love it, man. I love it when we can come together as a community as in something as important as this. This is very important, man. We gotta come together more often for these weirdos, right? That's what I'm saying. What happened in your face? Oh, they punched me. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job. Who was it? Let me shout him out. Who was it? Who was it, man? get his ass together, freaking weirdo.
Well, no. Okay. I got tired.
Okay.
Another officer speaks with the victim's husband, who explains his version of events.
I was over here just getting some books signed by them. Okay. I heard my wife scream, and she said that he was taking a picture of her, so that's when I stopped him right around ribbon. Okay.
What'd you do from there?
I asked him why he was taking a picture of her. Then everything just escalated from this. Yeah.
The officer lets the suspect know he's being detained and isn't free to leave before reading his Miranda rights.
So it looks like your eye, probably from the glasses.
They hit me.
Somebody hit you? Okay.
I went in the wrong bathroom.
You went in the wrong bathroom? Okay. And then what happened?
I walked out and people are keeping me again.
Okay. Why is your zipper undone?
Because I always forget to, a lot of times I forget to.
You forget to zip it?
Yes.
So you went in the wrong bathroom, you recognized it was the wrong bathroom, and you left? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
But your zipper's down?
Because I forget.
All right. Were you doing anything else in there? It seems like maybe, did you have your phone out?
No, I didn't.
You didn't have your phone out?
How about you pull up your zipper now that you know that it's out, you weirdo? Don't you see people around? Freaking weirdo. Especially you see the lady officer right there. The cop just told you your zipper is down. And you just, well, why don't you zipper it up?
Now, did you have a camera or something else? Looking at YouTube? Okay. Do you have any ID on you?
I do.
Can I look at it? I appreciate it.
They identify the man as 48-year-old Brian Leroy Group and will soon hear more of his side of the story. In the meantime, an officer speaks with one of the victims to better understand what happened in the women's restroom.
Well, I went into the bathroom to, use the stall. There was only one open, but when I went in there, I saw was a phone underneath, taking a picture, and when I started yelling, the door wide open, but my daughter had just gone in there before me.
Did you see anything on the phone that which kind of showed that it was taking pictures or video or anything like that?
No.
Okay. No. Do you remember what direction the phone was facing? Was the screen faced up?
Like that.
Okay.
Police also spoke with the victim's daughter, who had gone into the stall first. But if Brian recorded or photographed her, she was completely unaware.
I've been drinking. I'm very tired. I went.
Okay, you've been drinking? Yeah, you look a little tired. You were in one of the stalls. You had your phone. Okay. Did you record anything?
What's that?
Did you record anything on your phone?
No, I did not.
So if we looked on your phone, there wouldn't be any videos?
No.
Did you go to the bathroom while you were in there? In the stall?
Yeah, I took a number 2.
Number 2, okay.
The officer takes the discussion outside, away from store patrons. But one problem is still on full display.
You can zip up your pants. Probably a good idea. That's okay. Do you have your phone on you still?
I do.
All right. You mind opening it?
No.
You don't want to?
Oh, no, I do, but do I have rights?
You definitely have rights. You have rights. I mean, but if you showed and we saw that there was nothing on there, then it'd be pretty quick.
You guys can let us know.
What's that? Yeah, we're doing that now.
Brian takes out his phone, but when the officer notices he appears to be deleting something, the situation spirals.
Okay, well, actually, I'm going to take that. Okay.
Give her the phone now.
Yeah, okay.
Give her the phone.
Yep.
Okay.
Nope. Put in my cuffs.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. It's okay. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Fighting. You're gonna go to the ground. Get him on the ground. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Hey, calm down. Hey, you hear me?
Yeah.
Calm down.
What am I doing, man?
You're being arrested because there's probable cause to arrest you. And as soon as you start doing what you're doing, you get more probable cause for resisting. So stop it, please. These guys are asking you nicely.
Yeah, he was starting to delete.
He was trying to delete.
Oh, okay. Good call. All right, we've already read your rights. Those still apply. Now you're officially under arrest. We're going to take your phone. We're going to get a warrant for your phone. What are we going to find on there? Because you didn't have time to delete the pictures you were trying to delete. What are we going to find on your phone? It's not worth lying because we are going to get a warrant. We are going to find pictures.
He doesn't answer, but it's far too late, as the contents of his phone will later prove to be so vile, it defies explanation.
Here's the problem. Your resistance is an indication that what went on in that bathroom is exactly what the people said it was. And that's why there will be a warrant written for your phone.
So shouldn't I come later?
Come later?
Or
come later for what? No, you're going to jail today.
I understand.
Yeah, there's no coming back later.
After declining medical care for his eye, Brian is placed in the back of a cruiser, a place that may not be unfamiliar to him. According to police records, Brian has a criminal history, having been previously charged with child in the first degree, as well as residential burglary with motivation.
He's a registered.
Yes.
Shocker.
After securing a warrant for Brian's phone, investigators located 47 separate files containing CSAM, or child abuse material, with many of the female victims appearing to be between 7 and 9 years old. 6 videos were recovered that were recorded inside the restroom at the Krampus Festival. 2 of those videos are believed to depict the victims interviewed on scene. Investigators noted that during those recordings, Brian did not appear to be interested in recording the mother while she was using the restroom. Instead, his attention appeared to be focused on her child. On December 8, 2025, 48-year-old Brian Leroy Group was charged with voyeurism in the first degree and resisting arrest. The case is ongoing, with a jury trial currently set for May of 2026.
Just fucking fire squad this fucking weirdo, man. Just that's all we need. Guilty. Time for sentencing. Fire squad. Death by fire squad. There you go. All the officers line up and just fucking riddle your ass with bullets as you stand there. That's what it should be, in my opinion. But this guy's a fucking weirdo, man. I love it that the husband or whoever, the guys that were there or whatever, got his ass together, and then the cops came and got him together. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah, you get yours in too, man. You gotta get yours in, man. Fuck all that. His eye is all, yeah, get yours in. What you did? What to my wife and kids? What? Start knocking them. Ming, 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 ming. Go crazy on them. What? Get out of here. What? Then the cops get you. Yeah. No charges for you, sir. You did the right thing. Thank you. You did the right thing. That's how I would be. What happened to your eyes, sir? Oh, they beat me up. Who? Point them out. Point them out. Let me see who did it. It was him and him. Oh, okay. Find out the story. Yeah, my wife was in there. Yada yada. Boom. My wife, kid, doodoo. Oh yeah, he over there taking photos. Well, listen, no charges for you for what you did or whatever. It was definitely justified. Thank you, sir. We need more people like you. And I would dip. That's it. Like, yep. All right, cuff this guy up, guys. Let's get him out of here. But you definitely gotta go to him, man. What? Any man gonna do, like, huh? My kid in there, my wife in there, she screwed. What? Huh? Oh yeah, because cops don't come right away. So whatever type of trouble you in, if somebody breaking in, whatever type of trouble, it's a delay. Okay, so you're gonna be waiting, if you're lucky, 5 minutes, but typically it's around 10 minutes, for an officer to respond and stuff like that. I wonder, that's a good question though. I mean, not a good question, but something that popped into my mind. What's the average response time for police? Because I'm gonna say, if you're lucky, 5 minutes, but I would say roughly around the 8 to 10 range, probably 10. Oh, okay. The average police response time for emergency 911 calls is roughly 5 to 10 minutes in urban areas. Okay. If you're talking more remote, it goes to 8 to 12 minutes. Oh wait, no. I read that completely wrong. I'm tripping. Here we go. Right here. Here we go. The average response time for emergency 911 calls is roughly 5 to 10 minutes in urban areas, with total emergency response frequently falling between 8 to 12 minutes. In rural areas, it's up to 15 minutes, man. Response time often exceeds 15 minutes. Like it, yeah. Everybody love the country life, all that. That's cool. That's great. But emergency, yeah. Let me see. NYPD's average response time for critical crimes was roughly 9 minutes. Okay, so NYPD, major city, NYPD, that's the big, 9 minutes for them. So, yeah, it's, yeah, so you got to get yours in. You got to figure it out before they get there too. You know what I'm saying? Whatever is happening, you got to get them together on your own. You got to get on the phone, or they have the text. You can text 911 now too. If somebody breaking in you or you in a situation and you don't want to actually be on the phone, because they're gonna be asking you mad questions. And if somebody's breaking, you can't be sitting there hiding in the closet talking on the phone. Like, you gotta text them. Be like, do. Yeah, you can text them now too. Text them, yo, I need this, because now there's no sound. So you're better with that. You're better that way. But you gotta figure it out. You gotta figure it out. Boom, boom, boom. And then when the cops get there, then they could do what they do. But if you just gonna sit there and wait for the cops and like, nah, get your justice in before, and then, yeah, you're justified, sir. There you go. Thank you for your service. All right. But no, yeah. Anyway, it's a good video though. Weirdo. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.